Today, the governor also calling on the federal government to step up. He says some unaccompanied minors found at the border are being found in deplorable conditions, even abandoned after being placed in Arkansas by the federal government.
KRK4's Mitch McCoy joins us in studio tonight with what the governor says Mitch needs to happen to protect these kids.
Laura, Bob, good evening to you. Good evening. Hundreds of unaccompanied minors have been placed in Arkansas. We'll dive into those numbers in just a moment, but the governor says it comes down to the vetting process. He says the federal government is not doing enough research on sponsors before placing the children. Now to those numbers. As of September 30th, the federal government released 672 unaccompanied minors to sponsors in Arkansas. The governor says in the last 30 days, 7 unaccompanied minors from the border have been taken away from their Arkansas sponsor and placed into state DHS custody because of living conditions or they were abandoned. He says Arkansas has seen an increase in the number of calls placed to the child abuse hotline, specifically regarding unaccompanied minors. The governor calls it very concerning.
The sponsors are not properly vetted, and that in many instances we're having to take custody of those unaccompanied minors that have been housed with sponsors that are really not properly vetted and qualified and responsible enough.
The governor says the state DHS system has the moral and financial responsibility of taking care of the kids. That means medical bills, behavioral health, and trauma care, along with shelter and care costs. The governor says he is already writing a letter to federal authorities trying to figure out how to prevent this from continuing. The state says it will also start tracking the number of child abuse hotline calls regarding those unaccompanied minors. Back to you.
All right.